Yes, good morning. We have started with the third module and we have already done with one problem there. Let's move on to the next problem today. So we have done with coin change problem where we have to find the minimum number of coins which are required to find. We need to generate the change with fewest number of coins for a specified amount. And we have done with that, and the coins are selected using greedy criteria. As an example, we were supposed to give domination for rupees 41. These were the coin denominations which were given, and we have taken we have solved this example with 25, 10, 5 and 1. 4 coins are the minimum number of coins which are required. But the same problem is asked for to generate a change for 40. We have many feasible solutions. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So feasible solutions will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and see the solutions whatever we have got with 3 coins, 2 coins, 4 coins and 8 coins. We are able to generate the solution for change for rupees 40. But the thing is, we have to find a change with the minimum number of coins. So there, for a particular problem, there can be n number of feasible solutions, but optimal solution will usually be 1. So this is solution. So this is your solution. 4 feasible solutions we have. Among that, solution 2 will be considered as the optimal solution because the problem is minimization problem. Now, let's take up job sequencing with deadlines. The problem called as job sequencing with deadlines. Even this also will be the same solved by using greedy criteria. So what happens? What is the thing here is, you'll be given with a set of n jobs. Okay, you'll be given with a set of n jobs, and with each job there will be a deadline which is associated and also the profit. If you consider that particular we are given with a set of n jobs, and with each job I there is an integer deadline di and also a profit associated with. So you have deadline and profit with each of this set of n jobs which are given. Okay, and if for any job the profit pi, for any job I, the profit pi is earned if and only if the job is completed by its deadline. It's of no use if you try to complete a job after deadline. So a deadline is given. Within that, if you are able to complete that particular job, then you will get that profit. Okay, so with each set of jobs, n jobs, with each we have a set of n jobs, and with each job we'll have a deadline as well as a profit. And when can you get the profit? Only if the job is completed by its deadline. Got it? So to complete this particular job, one has to process the job on machine for 1 unit of time. Okay, every job should be completed by 1 unit of time, and only one machine is available for processing all these jobs. So to complete a job, one has to process the job on a machine for 1 unit of time, and only one machine is available for processing the job. Okay, and a feasible solution for this particular problem is a subset. We will find a subset of jobs, and each job in the subset should also be completed by its deadline. We will find a subset wherein we'll have a set of jobs who can complete the work within the specified deadline, and the value of this feasible solution is the sum of profit in the jobs. So we will just find the profit. An optimal solution is feasible solution with maximum value. So if we are able to generate maximum profit, then that becomes the optimal solution, because you can have multiple feasible solution, but any feasible solution with maximum value or maximum profit will become an optimal solution for you. Okay. For here, we have to select the jobs in such a way that you will get maximum profit. And job should also be completed within a given deadline. So here the problem is to find the to identify a subset so that it will fit the subset paradigm. What is the paradigm? The paradigm is that the job should be completed within the deadline and profit should be maximum. Okay. High level description is not required. This is for job sequencing with deadlines. So let's take up problems. Yes. Let's say that we have to find an optimal solution for this jobs with job sequencing with the deadlines, where we have 4 jobs. Okay, and with each job we have a profit associated. So a job 1 or the process 1 has 100, 2 10, 3 15, and 4 27. And we also have deadline associated with these jobs. That is, the profit is 2 if P1 is completed, 1 if P2 is completed, and 2 the P3 is completed, and P1 if P4 is completed. Okay, these are the profits and these are the deadline. So you have to complete the jobs in such a way that the profit will be maximum. So let's see how to solve this problem. Let me take whiteboard now. Okay, I'll use whiteboard and we'll solve the problem. Is it clear till here? There are 44,
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 44 in the meeting. So we'll be given with set of n jobs. With each job we will have profit and deadline. You will be able to get a profit only if the process or the job is completed within the specified deadline. And you should choose jobs or a subset of jobs in such a way that the profit will be maximum. Okay? Yes. Yes. Let's take up the first problem. In what is the topic we are discussing? Job sequencing with deadlines. Okay. So we have to find an optimal solution for the problem where n is equal to 4 jobs. We have 4 jobs. Profit P1, P2, P3, P4 is 100, 10, 15, 27, and the deadline D1, D2, D3 and D4 are 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. And only one machine is available and any job can be processed 1 minute at a time, 1 unit at a time. It cannot be there for more than 1 minute. Okay. Cannot be in the meeting for more than on the machine for more than 1 unit of time. Okay. Yes. Let's write down this first in this form: jobs J1, J2, J3, J4, and the profit and the deadline. So what is the profit? 100, 10, 15, 27, and the deadline is 2121. Okay, so each will be available for a minute of, can be available on the machine for only 1 unit of time. Any job can be on the machine for only 1 unit of time. P1 here, P2 here. Then again it should give a chance to some other, or it can only continue. Okay. So first thing what we have to do here is, okay, first point, remember, first point, we have to arrange the jobs according to non-increasing order of their profit. What does that mean? Non-increasing order. So we have to first arrange the jobs. So you will do this. One problem I'll solve and later you will solve one more. Arrange the jobs according to non-increasing order of profit. What does it mean? Non-increasing order of profit. Huh?
Decreasing order.
Yes, it is. It should be in decreasing order, isn't it? So here the terms will be like this only. They'll ask you non-increasing order. It's nothing but decreasing order. Okay. So let's arrange in non-increasing order, that is decreasing order. So what is the first job we have to take up, which has highest profit? 100. So we take that the job with its deadline. Which is the next job with the highest profit? After J1, which is the next job with the highest profit?
J4.
J4. So what is the profit with associated with that? 27. What is the deadline? 1. Which is the next one? Someone else? Why only Rachita all the time? Only I am teaching for her. Yeah. Which is the next job to be taken in order according to the non-increasing order of profit? Which one?
J3, ma'am.
J3, because it has a profit of 15 and deadline is 2. And finally, we are left with J2 with profit 10 and deadline 1. Okay. The first thing what we have to do is we have to just arrange them in non-increasing order of profit. Non-increasing, that's nothing but decreasing order of their profit. Now, okay. Now, how we have to proceed is we have to earn maximum profit from this. See here, we have to get maximum profit from this, and also the maximum deadline here is only 2 units. Looking into this, you can find out what is the maximum unit of time. So maximum unit of time is only 2. So you should take this 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Only 2 is the maximum unit you have. Deadline is only, the maximum deadline is 2 units. In that, we have to complete maximum jobs such that you will get, you should complete jobs. You should complete jobs such that you'll get maximum profit. Okay. Which 2 jobs if I take, I can complete. If I take which 2 jobs, I can complete the job and get the maximum profit. That's what I have to do now. I have to select the jobs in such a way that if I select that job, I should get the maximum profit. Okay. So each, one thing you have to remember is each job can be here for 1 unit of time. Okay. And this deadline is, it can be there up to 2 unit of time, but it should be completed within 1 unit of time itself. So let's write down here. So we will consider the job, whatever is, then we will write down the slot. Okay. Let me rub this and write. Okay, here only I will just. Continuing here. Okay, so we will take the job which will be considered, and then we will take the slot which is assigned, slot whatever we will assign, and we will see the solution, and also we will calculate the profit. Our idea is that we have to get maximum profit. Initially no jobs is assigned, no slot is assigned, solution is 0, and solution subset is 0 and profit is 0. Now, yes, See, I have 2 units of time. 2 is the maximum time. 2 is the maximum time which can be which is given to the machine. In this 2 unit of time, I should complete 2 jobs such that I'll get maximum profit. Okay. In this, which 2 jobs if I select, I can get maximum profit. Which 2 jobs if I select, I can get maximum profit here. Which 2 jobs if I select, I can get maximum. This deadline says that J4 should be completed within one unit of time, and J1 can be completed by 2, but it stays in the machine for only 1 unit of time, but it can wait up to 2 minutes, but this should be completed within a minute. Okay, so now you just look into this and tell me if I select which 2 jobs I can get a maximum profit. Which 2 jobs? Yes. Which 2 jobs will yield you maximum profit? We have already arranged them in the non-increasing order of their profit. So which 2 jobs should I select? Sorry? Which 2 jobs should I select? It's not clear. Yes? Sandeep? It's your voice is not proper. Yes.
J1 and J4.
J1 and J4. Yes. Sagarika. So J1 and J4. Now we have chosen 2 jobs to complete. Okay, J1 and J4. Now, if you look into this, it says that which job should be completed first? Which job should be completed first?
J4.
Yes, J4 should be completed first. Why? Because it can wait only up to 1 minute. See, here it can wait only up to 1 minute. So I should take up J4 first, isn't it? So I'll take up J4 first, and then I can just use J1. Usually what we do is we have selected the first job. So what we do, we will put this job in this slot because it can wait for 2 minutes. So I'll say J1 and slot assigned will be 1 to 2 for it. And what is the solution? We have selected J1. What is the profit? 100. So we have just put J1 here. Now, which other job with maximum profit which can be completed within 1 minute? There are 2 jobs, J4 and J2. Sorry, J4 and J3. J4 and J3 are the 2 jobs with next maximum profit. But see the slot, J4 within 1 minute it should be completed, and J3 2 minutes. But if I can select either of these, but we should select a job which has maximum profit. So I'll select J4. And I say I am completing J4 in the slot 0 to 1, and 1 to 2 I have J1. So J1, J4, 100 plus 27. Hence the solution is we have selected J1 and J4. We were able to complete within the deadline, and the profit earned was 127. Any doubt with this? See, I'll explain once again. First thing, you'll be given with profit of various jobs and also the deadline associated with it. This deadline means it should be complete. Every job can be on the machine only for 1 minute, but the deadline given is 2 minutes. Up to 2 minutes, it can stay in the, it can wait for 1 minute, and it can take 1 more minute as the time to execute itself. Okay, but J2 should finish within 1 minute. J3 also can wait for 1 minute and get executed for 1 minute, but J4 cannot wait. It should get executed within 1 minute. That's what this means. So first thing what we do is we just arrange the jobs in non-increasing order of profit, that is decreasing order of profit. So we have arranged them, and then we start with the solution. The first solution, see, 2 minutes, the J1 has a maximum profit. Here the problem is maximization problem. So we have to select a job with maximum profit. Let's find out for 100. So 2. So it can wait for 1 minute and get executed for another minute. So I can take the slot 1 to 2 for it. Okay, and I've added J1 in the slot 1 to 2. And the profit earned is 100. 0 to 1, that is 1. 2 jobs can be completed within 1 minute. Among this, the maximum profit is 27. Because this cannot be completed because it is, if at all, if we will try to observe these three, it can wait for 1 minute and get executed for 1 minute, but we already have this slot filled. So if I take this to fill it here, the profit will be less, 15, whereas I have one more job which can be completed with this time 0 to 1, and also the profit is 27. So I am selecting this job 27 in the slot 0 to 1. So J1 and J4, the profit of that, and this is the subset which satisfies the paradigm, solution paradigm, and the profit is maximum here. Is that clear for everyone? So in this solution only job 1 and 4 will be completed and the profit earned will be 127. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Note down this and I'll give you another problem which you will be solving it, and the same we'll solve it here as well, because first time you're learning this, maybe you'll find a bit confused, you'll get confused a bit. Okay, just take down this. I'll give you one more problem. You just solve it and show me. Always you should start selecting the jobs with the profit, maximum profit, and try to put them in this slot. So only we have arranged them in non-increasing order. First we should select always the first job with maximum profit and try to fit it here, because it can wait for 1 minute and execute for 1 minute because it has a time slot of 2. And then we'll select the next job with the highest profit, 27. So it can get completed within 1 minute. So I have put it here. Okay. So just make it simple. Let's make it simple. We have already arranged in non-increasing order. So we have to select the jobs in this order and try to place it in the appropriate place so that we'll get profit, maximum profit. In order we'll select always as they are already in decreasing order of profit, because our aim is to get maximum profit. For those who have just noted down, you try with the second problem. We have the jobs J1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the profit associated will be 20, 15, 10, 5 and 1. First check whether they are already in order. If they're already in order, no problem. If they're not in order, you have to just arrange them in non-increasing order of profit. Okay, this is the profit and the deadline is 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. Try with this. Try the second problem. Those who have finished with the first one. Note down this. Then try to solve this. You should write down like this. So I'll give a clue for you. So we have 5 jobs. They are already in order. Profit, they are already arranged in non-increasing order of profit. So what is the maximum deadline here? You should look into
20,
this.
ma'am.
What's the maximum deadline?
J1, ma'am.
3.
20.
3. 3 is the maximum deadline. So you will have 0 to 1. So you will have slot like this. You will have 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 3. Now you have to select job such that you'll get maximum profit. Okay, just do it in this way, assign slot in this way and tell me the profit.